Hey everybody, y'all, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Got a treat for y'all today. We're going to do the first brisket on the Lone Star Grillz Offset. I did manage to find a prime that wasn't outrageous, like a little over 11 pounds. Scooped it up for like $44. Anyway, we're using 3 different rubs today. We're going to use some Kosmos Q Cow cover. We'll be using some Uncle Steve Shake competition cow powder. That's good stuff. And then SuckleBusters Texas Brisket Rub. Got a little lanyap on the point. We're going to leave that. Left about a 1/4 inch, you know, or so of fat. Look at that, man. Should be pretty tender, y'all. So we're going to get this seasoned up. And we're going to get this out there on the smoker and let it start going. So y'all stick around. We'll be back. We got this bad boy seasoned up. I'll meet y'all outside. Alright, Grillz up the tent. We're going to put up some water on the bottom of this thing, y'all. I'm going to put a half gallon in there. Give this dude a steam bath, man. The firebox hot back there. We're going to put our brisket on the top rack. We'll flip her around. We're going to put the point in towards the firebox here. Get that dude on there. We're going to set it right in the middle. Alright, we're going to shut this down, gang. We will be back. Hour in, let's see how we're looking. About 2:10. Oh yeah, you get a little smoke on it. Oh yeah, y'all, we looking good. Boy, that smells good. Plenty of liquid left in the bottom down there. Y'all look at that. Alright, let's get this lid down. We'll see if we can get this heat up just a little bit. We're gonna let it roll. We'll be back. About 2.5 hours in. Let's see what we got here. Old flats about 142. Point about 152. Close it down a little bit and try to wrap her up about 160, 165. And so we'll be back in just a little bit. 3.5 hours in. Oh man, look at that. Yes, that bulk is looking good, y'all. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, let's check some quick temps. $152, 53. 160. Shit, we're gonna wrap this thing up right quick. Back in a few. Got the brisket double wrapped in some heavy duty foil. Back in the same position as we had it unwrapped. Point down here, dig in towards your firebox. We're gonna let this ride a while. We'll be back. 5 hours in, y'all. Look at that temp, man. Love this smoker. Add a couple more little logs to it. I'm gonna put some sausage back here. So country please and jalapeno cheddar. We're gonna let that ride for a little while. Brisket did temp about 180 on the point end, about 175 on the flat end. So we're almost there. We'll be back. 6 hours in. Let's see how we doing here. Oh yeah. 205, 206, 207, 193. Alright, a few more minutes, y'all. Sausage is done. Yeah, about 170. Alright, let me get the sausage off. We're almost done with the brisket. We're gonna get it off, let it rest. So we'll be back in just a few. Alright, 6.5 hours, y'all. doing here? Yeah. Oh yeah. Right at 200. Man, look at that. Alright. 211. 213. Let's pull this dude off of here. It's 10 to 2. That is 10 hot. Let's get this off and get it inside. Let it rest a little bit. While the brisket is resting, we're going to do a little bit of grilled asparagus. Like that, little SPG asparagus. And let that go for just a little bit. It's not extremely hot. Firebox is calmed down quite a bit. So we're going to let that go and we'll check on it here in just a little bit. Brisket cooked for 6.5 hours, rested for a half an hour. Let's see what we got here. We're just gonna cut it right down the middle. Hot, y'all, hot. Look at there. All that goodness coming out of there. Yeah. Alright. Let's get a piece of this end right here. Oh man. On the flat end here. That's very tip. Nice little smoke ring, huh? Check that out. A little cherry, a little pecan. Boy, she's hot. Wow. Alright, now come on up here, let's get a bite of this. Pretty dang good. The Kosmos Q SuckleBusters Texas Brisket Rub, Uncle Steve Competition Cow Powder. Yum. Alright, let's set this to the side. Now come back down here and let's cut up some of this point. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice, y'all. Ooh, she hot. Hot, still smoking. As the dogs crawl up my leg there. Big old, oh, that's a big old piece, man. Big old piece. Look at that, still smoking. Check that out, man. Nice smoke ring. Bark come out pretty darn good, y'all. Alright, gang, I say, y'all come up here and let's get by this point. So everybody's hungry. Look at that. Nice bark. Nice smoke. 6.5 hour cook, man. Not bad. Cheers to you. Oh yeah. Man, that's like butter. Butter. Nice, huh? Still smoking. One more time. Oh. Look at that smoke ring one more time. And that bark. Oh yeah, look at that. Like butter, y'all. Alright. And we gotta try a piece of this. This is the jalapeno cheddar sausage. Country pleasing. That's good stuff. Not connected, but it's good. Of course. A little piece of the asparagus there on the griddle right quick. Just right, y'all. SPG. Not really al dente, but not soggy. You know what I'm saying? That's good stuff. Alright. I'll get y'all some plate pics. We're gonna get out of here. Thank y'all for stopping by. Y'all have a great weekend. Winter, brisket dinner. Later.